Hey everybody, this is Customary Capacity. This is lesson 10-2. Don't forget all your lessons can be found at mrmathblog.com. And then this is a 5th grade class, so make sure you click way when you go to mrmathblog.com. I don't have that up right now, but it's way over here on the right. You'll see 5th grade math. There'll be a big yellow toolbar at the top. This is a pretty fast lesson, you guys. Here's our Common Core strand. And so our question is, how can we compare and convert customary units of capacity? Okay. So capacity is like liquid fluid ounces right here. So 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces, and then 1 pint is 2 cups, 1 quart is 2 pints, and then 1 gallon is 4 quarts. Okay, so here we go. Margaret has 3 cups of hummingbird juice that she wants to put into a jar. The jar has capacity of 26 fluid ounces. Will the jar be big enough to hold all the hummingbird juice that she has? So capacity of a container is just the amount that the container can hold. So remember, 1 cup equals, okay, well here's our cup capacity. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So we're going to use the bar model here to write an equation. So we're going to convert the 3 cups to fluid ounces. Well, here's 3 groups of 8 because this is 1 cup, this is 1 cup, this is 1 cup. My coffee machine's beeping at me. So this is 3 times 8 right here. That's what goes up in there. So we're going to go ahead and write an equation right here. So 3 times 8. Okay, well I know 3 times, so let's do half of this. But most of you guys know 3 times 8. But if you don't, do you know 3 times 4? 3 times 4 is 12. And then since 4 is half of 8, then if I double that, then 12 times 2 would be 24. Or if you already know 3 times 8 is 24 right there. So that's how many fluid ounces that Margaret has on that hummingbird juice. So we're going to compare. Is 24 fluid ounces less than, greater than, or equal to? Okay, well, we always point our inequality towards the smaller number, so 24 is less than 26. So since 24 fluid ounces is less than 26 fluid ounces, then Margaret's jar can hold all the hummingbird juice. Okay, all right. Hey, what if Margaret had 7 cups of hummingbird juice in a jar and 64 fluid ounces of hummingbird juice feeder in a can? Which container has more? Does the can have more? Does the jar have more? Okay, well we got to convert the cups to fluid ounces. So remember, 8 fluid ounces per cup, and since there's 7 in there, 7 times 8 equals 56. So the jar has 56 fluid ounces, and so since 56 is less than the fluid ounces in the can, 64, then the can has more hummingbird juice in there. Okay, so what we had to do is convert them to the same units, and it's easier to convert from smaller to bigger. So I'm sorry, from the cups down to the fluid ounces right here. So we do 7 times 8, and that'll give us how many fluid ounces. That way they're the same units right there. Okay, so here's another one. So Kyle made 32 pints of lemonade for a class party. He needs to transport the lemonade in a 1-gallon containers. You know, like those big milk jugs, those plastic ones with the handles. Those are nice, easy to carry. So he needs to carry those in those. Those are 1 gallon. Okay, so how many containers does Kyle need? Okay, so what we got to do is convert the pints to quarts and then convert the quarts to gallons right here. Okay, so to convert the smaller units to larger units, then we need to divide. Remember, we talked about that in the last lesson. So sometimes we're going to have to convert more than once, and in this case we are. We're going to have to take these pints and convert pints into quarts. So we're going to go backwards and divide by 2, and then we'll take how many quarts we have out of the 32 pints, and then we'll divide that by 4, and that'll tell us how many gallons there are. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to convert the 32 pints to quarts right here. Okay, so we're going to divide 32 divided by 2, because the conversion is 2 pints per quart, and then so 32 divided by 2 is going to give us 16 quarts right there. Now we got to convert the quarts to gallons. Okay, so now we're going to take that 16 and use our conversion by dividing it by 4. So we're going to go 16 divided by 4. This will tell us how many gallons. So there's 4 total gallons right there. So Kyle's going to need 4 1-gallon containers to transport all his groovy lemonade. Okay, I told you that was a fast one. I hope you're doing well. Take care.